Hello. Today I'll show you what's included in the 3D model set for different scales. To see the contents of each scale set, first follow the link, choose the platform where my designs are listed, and download the zip files. Since this is a marketplace with many different creators, make sure you're downloading the files from the correct author. The number of archived files depends on the number of scales. Extract the files from the archive for the scale you need. In my case, I'll be using scales 10, 64, and 87. I want to show how each scales folder has a different number of files. Let's start with the 110 scale. This folder includes many files I try to anticipate all enthusiasts' needs. There's a car body file where the headlights, doors, and lenses are all combined. There's also a version with the glass and headlight lenses separated. Additionally, I've split the car body into multiple parts to make printing easier and faster. Note, all parts are separated and available as individual files. Next is the 64 scale, with fewer parts compared to the larger scales. Scales from 32 to 64 are optimized with fewer details than the larger ones. Finally, we have the 87 scale. This one has only one file with all parts combined and wall thickness around 2 mm, which helps save resin during printing. Tip: if you're unsure how to view STL files, check out my other videos where I explain how to open them on both your phone and computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates. All useful links are in the profile bio and pinned comment.